Eritrean athlete having words now with the Kenyan. Kogo making a move.
I do wish these athletes would get out of the way and let them through on the inside.
With a fast final lap, they might well reach that Olympic record, 27:07:34. It is Kenenisa Bekele taking the pace from everybody with a stirring finishing kick. Sileshi Sihine chasing him. This is the way it's been in so many world races. Look at the smile of Bekele's face. He knows he's got something pulling away from Sihine. The Olympic record, 27:07:34. It's well within the reach of Bekele, the world champion. Olympic record. And again, Sihine is the bridesmaid. The Kenyans very close for third and fourth. We'll have to separate them. The final lap. A torrid 53:42.
Well, it was amazing. We've said it so many times, but it is breathtaking. You're not supposed to run that fast at the end of a 10K race. But he just looked so relaxed, so comfortable. And he could have broken 27 minutes today, but he used up before the line. A million people. But his two teammates, Gebrselassie and Bekele, have got it his way. But he's still a wonderful athlete to get that silver medal. And Haile Gebrselassie, as we said, huge smile on his face. It's very unusual for him to come to a World or Olympic Championships and not win a medal. But he is more of a marathon runner now. A true gentleman. Wonderful in victory and magnanimous in defence. Middle distance runner who's borderline sprinter.
Bekele planning to try the double here in Beijing, making his decision, he said, after the 10,000, and looking so fresh in victory here in the 10,000 final. We'll likely see him run the 5 here in Beijing. That's still to be determined as the Ethiopians win gold and silver. And at the finish line, the Kenyans in a dead heat at 27:04:11. Kogo getting third ahead of Masai. As the Kenyans break up a podium sweep by Ethiopia, the Africans ruling the day once again in the Olympic 10,000-meter final here at the Bird's Nest in the Olympic capital of Beijing.
Such a great competitor. Back in third place right now is Gebrselassie. Sileshi Sihine of Ethiopia out in front.
Remember, 2 spots essentially left. Pushing away out in front is Sihine. Gebrselassie will finish in second. Coming across in third is Kipchoge. Oh, and a great race here for Gebrselassie. Haile Gebrselassie, the living legend of the sport, with a phenomenal race and getting his due. What a great performance, a time of 26:51.
But listen to this crowd absolutely behind him, cheering him on every step of the way. The world record at 12:37:35. He won't best that, but he could become the world leader. That's currently sitting in 13:08:64. He may lap a competitor here as well. This is a phenomenal race by Bekele. He will cross the line and lap as well as take over the new world leader position. What an amazing race by Kenenisa Bekele. He is your world leader at 12:58:95, and an amazing race for him. Coming across in second is the Kenyan, Edwin Soul. Time of 13:13:88. And Thomas Takamel Longaswa of Kenyan across in third, 13:14:36. But that young man right there, Kenenisa Bekele. Unbelievable. Bekele with your new world leading time of 12:05.
5:8.94.